time right now is 6 p.m. in the evening, and I'm right now in Mina Market. I'm going to the pet shop, which is next to Indian Social Cultural Center. In my previous video, I have explored Mina Market, where I have covered almost all the places like Plant Souk, Irani Souk, and many more. If you didn't watch that video, I will put the video link in the description below, and also you can click on the I button appearing on the screen. On that note, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Vanakam, Devbaro. This is Tumka Samajhtanga. My name is Prashant and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this video will gonna be interesting for all the pet lovers out there. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notification about the channel. So let's get started.
Reptiles can be unusual yet wonderful pets. Whether you are thinking of getting a green iguana or bearded dragon. Bearded dragons are fairly decoy, lightweight, easy to handle, beginner friendly and low maintenance reptiles. Whereas iguanas are very powerful, strong, durable body, intelligent, fast and oftentimes aggressive. If you are new to reptiles, that you opt for a bearded dragon, as they are so much easier to care for. But if you are someone who is up for a challenge and is fully prepared to spend years working with your pet to earn its trust, then an iguana may be right for you. Keeping an aquarium is a popular hobby around the world. Scientifically, fish tanks have proven to have an abundance of health benefits. Fish tanks brings a sense of nature and calming into your home, thereby reducing stress levels. It is proven that an aquarium can help patients overcome pain and anxiety. An aquarium near your bed can also help you sleep better. After knowing about the number of health benefits, I feel to buy an aquarium for myself to keep it at my home. And I'm sure even you will also love to have one. Though there are large varieties of fishes available in the aquarium shops, I have listed few popular fishes that you can adopt and take care of. One of the most eye-catching freshwater fish in most aquarium stores is the parrotfish. This bright fish seems to glow with an incredibly deep red color, though individuals that range from orange to yellow. You can expect adults to grow up to 8 inches long with a round body, large fins, large eyes and a beak-like mouth. Parrotfish can live up to 15 years if kept healthy. Goldfishes are attractive and low-maintenance freshwater fish. They are a hardy aquatic species. They can deal with temperature fluctuations, changes in pH, cloudy water and even low dissolved oxygen levels. Their average lifespan in the aquarium is up to 10 years and they can live up to 30 years if they kept in pond. In most Japanese culture, koi represented a material and a spiritual abundance. Koi fish are always at ease in the water, flowing as the tide runs deep underwater. Koi can live a very long time, some as long as 50 years. Flowerhorn are ornamental aquarium fish noted for their vivid colors and distinctively shaped heads, for which they are named. Flowerhorns are the ultimate pet fish due to their extremely interactive nature. They have been specifically bred to respond to the humans around them, and some will even lift their knuckle hump out of the water to be petted. Flowerhorns are a hybrid fish that are based on one of the earliest man-made hybrid fish, the blood parrot. They have a lifespan of 10 to 12 years. The beautiful half-moon fan-tailed betta fish is one of the most low-maintenance pets. you can find them at almost any pet store. Bettas are common in countertop setting inside a glass vase with little more than floating vegetation to keep them company. The betta's full name is Siamese fighting fish due to its discovery in freshwater Asian rice paddies areas susceptible to drought and notorious for wagered fish battles. Betta's average lifespan is 2 to 3 years. Parrots can be entertaining and beautiful to look at. They are smart, can learn tricks, and may provide companionship to some people. These are just a few of the reasons that parrots have become the third most popular pet. The best pet for you depends on how well your chosen bird fits in with your lifestyle and home. Parrots can be small enough to fit in a pocket, large enough to weigh over 2 kg. The cockatiel is one of the most popular companion birds. This slender Australian parrot can be both cuddly and bold. Cockatiels can also be curious and at times feisty. With the cockatiel in the house, you are likely to hear repertoire of chirps and whistles. The lifespan of cockatiel is up to 20 years. The African grey parrot is one of the most talented talking or mimicking birds on the planet, giving it quite a reputation among birds enthusiasts. Not only do bird keepers love this intelligent bird, it's one of the most recognizable species to bird novices as well. Everyone knows the African grey parrot. This parrot is one of the oldest citizen species kept by humans, with records of the bird dating back to biblical times. Understated beauty and a brainy, no-nonsense attitude are what keep this parrot at the peak of popularity. At first glance, the African grey is a medium-sized, dusty-looking grey bird, almost pigeon-like. But further investigation reveals a bright red tail, intelligent orange eyes, and stunning scalloped pattern to its plumage. The average lifespan of African grey parrot is 30 years. Cockatoos stand out from other parrot species with their dramatic crest feathers, dusty feathers, and varying shades of white, pink, grey, and black. Pet cockatoos are often referred to as Velcro birds because of their highly sociable nature and borderline obsessive need to be around the people in their lives. Cockatoos range in size from medium to large. Other birds in this family are Moluccan cockatoo, umbrella cockatoo. The various cockatoo species have native ranges in Australia. The lifespan of cockatoos is up to 30 years. Conures are spunky and often comical parrots, come in a range of eye-catching colors and have equally colorful personalities. Conures are one of the more varied groups of parrots. These small to medium parrots with long tail feathers range in size to just under 10 inches to just over 20 inches, depending on the conure species. Other birds in this family are Jendau conure, sun conure, green-cheeked conure, blue-crowned conure. Conures are native to South America. The lifespan of the conures is up to 20 years. Macaws are known as the giants of the parrot world. Big size and vibrant colors make them hard to overlook. These social birds can create a racket when they feel so inclined, and their clownship ways are sure to draw attention. Although Their large beaks can be intimidating. A well socialized macaw can be a friendly and affectionate companion. Other birds in this family are blue and gold macaw, green winged macaw, Hunt's macaw, hyacinth macaw, scarlet macaw. Macaws are native to the southern portion of North America, which is Mexico, plus Central America and South America. The lifespan of macaw is up to 30 years. Dogs provide us with a sense of emotional well-being thanks to the unconditional love they give, which is why they are also great company and comfort for people who live alone. There are so many benefits of having a dog. Of course, there is the obvious benefits like extra exercise and a best friend for life. But they can also improve your physical and mental health. Presently, there were few breeds available in the market since the stock changes frequently depends upon the customer's request. So for more information, please do visit the pet shops. Cats make great pets and are ideal companions for people who work full-time or who live in an apartment. They are less expensive to keep and require less maintenance than dogs. Overall, cats are wonderful pets and will provide a lifetime love and affection just like dogs. The most common breeds you can find in these pet shops are Sphynx cats and Persian cats. Rabbits are pretty much the cutest thing. With their iconic ears, their hoppy legs and pitchy noses. It's understandable that plenty of people would want one as pet. Rabbits have strikingly distinctive personalities. They can be as playful and silly as puppies or kittens, as independent and fascinating as cats, or as loyal and openly affectionate as dogs. And long-time rabbit owners claim that domestic rabbits are, in their own way, every bit as smart as cats and dogs. The average lifespan of rabbits are up to 10 to 12 years.
So guys, I'm just back from the pet shop or animal market in Mina. So the pet shop is well stocked with almost everything that you can think of for home pets, and the pets ranging from reptiles, cats, dogs and birds, and many more. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please hit the like button, share this with all the pet lovers out there, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.